Hello viewers, please encourage our talent and like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. You can also be a part of our art gallery. So send your artwork, art videos and any other talent videos in our mail ID and contact us in our WhatsApp number. We provide online coaching also. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Vishwajit and representing Doremi. This video is going to be very interesting. I know you all are eagerly waiting for this video because in this video I am going to show you part 2 video of Ma Saraswati is taking online class. Yes, this video where I am showing how you can mix your concept with your skill. All together will create a different painting that will show your own creativity. So this is a very conceptual painting. You should watch this video, you should learn from this video. And don't forget to like, comment and share and subscribe. Many of you are not subscribing our channel. So go and subscribe our channel and part 1 video don't miss. Before watching part 2 video, go first see the part 1 video. Look on the top, link is going. So you have to go in that link. Also I have shared the link in our description box. And thank you. Many students all over the India, they are sending their artwork in our gallery. So you should also send your artwork because Doremi is a platform nourishes the star to shine. So join our platform and keep shining bright.
So let's start our part 2 video of Ma Saraswati is taking online class. As I told before, you need to watch our part 1 video. So go and watch our part 1 video first. So look, this is our part 2 video. I am taking the basics colors. Means the base color. You can see I am using the red color for the blouse and the ornaments, crown, green colors for the saris. When you color, it should be very deep. You can color it with the crayon colors, pencil colors, watercolors, any color that you like you can use. Pink color for the sarees, so I'm first applied the dark pink, then use white color to make it lighter. Now coloring the hair. I always told that we all believe the hair is black color, so we just directly use the black color. That doesn't look good because hair is not a black color. It might be looking like a blackish but not black color. So let it be brown as a base color. For Tanpura, as a base color I'm using grey color. Now you can see I am using dark grey color. If you don't have dark grey color, you can use grey color and you can mix the black color on that. Here you don't need the jet black color. So on the black color you can use grey color, so you can achieve the dark grey color. Now for the skin you can see I have used peach color. After doing the peach color, you can give little bit of yellowish effect. For this reason you have to apply little bit of yellow color. Now look, you can see I am using the white color line. So here you have to be very creative. So in this case you can use fabric color. Even you are doing pastel on that, you can use. And instead of using fabric color, you can whitener also you can use for some white touch. Now for the skin I am applying my shades. This is the first shades or first tone. Before it was base color. After that I am using orange color on this very lightly, that it mixes very nicely. You can understand how I am doing. you can see I am just guessing the light is coming from the left side, so accordingly I am giving the shades all the hands. Now some dark brown lining I am using for ornaments. So now the drawing is getting clear to you. Eyebrows, this is dark brown color, little touch. So here you can use mixed media technique also. You can use fabric and even pastel. So it is up to you what color you use and how do you do. Now look, now I'm taking black color and I'm just touching. That looks very smart. And our Ma Saraswati coloring is finished. Now we will color the background. So we have given the solid brown. Now solid yellow ochre for top of the table. When you are drawing and coloring, you don't have to be very hurry. So you have to leave the keyboard mouse for other coloring. That yellow color should not go in that object. And now very lightly I will apply the blue color. Here I am using cerulean blue color, but you don't have to use this color. If you have a cobalt blue color, you can use this very lightly, just little bit touch. After that, with the white color you can merge it, or also you can choose your own color. It's not that you have to copy. Now once again I'm taking the gray color. You can understand what I am coloring right now. Yes, this is the monitor. Our keyboard, mouse pad. So now I am just applying little bit of shades on that. You can understand here also I am using gray colors very lightly. You can take a help of white color to achieve the exact gray color you want. Also you can use the pencil shades for this to achieve this monitor's screen coloring. Now very interestingly I have put the Doremi. You can see that it shows that Ma Saraswati is playing. Look how the shadow is coming for bottle and the cup. Look, we have colored. Now we will color the swan. Here you color your blue color very lightly. Then after that take your cushion blue color, some effects, feathery effects. So you can see our coloring is completed. Now you draw and send it for our art gallery.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment and share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.